Good afternoon. Yes, I'm not playing Silk Song. I'm the one streamer on Twitch not playing Silk Song. And I never played Hollow Knight either, so I'm just that much of a rebel. I'm interested though. I'm interested to see what Silk Song looks like on the on the viewer list. There's currently 347,000 viewers playing Silk Song. The highest has 31,000 viewers. Good God. They love the Spanish. The Spanish seem to love Twitch. There's a lot of big Spanish streamers. Well, there you go. It's very, very popular by the looks of it. Which, I mean, I'm not surprised. But yeah. It's not me. That's why we like me. Well, I hope there's more to like about me than the fact I don't play Silk Song. Right. So, in the release of the last release, my brain hasn't, quite started yet. We have a load of locations, but we've got some that I had to take out. I think first things first, I would like to add in more locations. I'd like to find the flute stuff, but I need a better address. And I'm not quite. I need an address that is like learning the song. Gosh, it's raining out there now. Yeah, so the duet one might be more doable because we've got like the restoration songs, but because we're kind of doing interesting stuff with the code anyway, with this address anyway, I think it didn't really like doing both. Yeah. But we've not got many things in this event. They're all very early, so we need to do some like just playing around, seeing what changes. I think. Post first song statue. Oh, that's like not actually. Okay, that was the. Oh, what's this statue? Okay. So yeah, the net might be interesting. And I also wanted to make stamps an actual thing. So we've got a few different things we can do. But it's a bit confusing. This is a new thing. A pointer. Oh boy. So yeah, we're kind of the song bit field. All the songs that we learn seems to be different from the one above. This might be different then. Okay, let me open up old BizHawk. How are you doing, Ella? How's work been without me? Spirit tracks. We'll load save state 1. You had to do stuff once. No. So in test. We have both the actual songs one, which is this B0. Interesting. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Okay. Dark trains we can add as a trap, maybe. I don't know. It does make things a bit interesting in the game, though. So the stamps, we might be able to use these stamp bits and pieces to actually give a stamp, or have it be on stamp for the location. It's going to get complicated very quickly, and I'm kind of putting it off. Right, let's try this one though. Because I don't think I've got this one. No. New watch. Oh, let me what? Oh, it wants me to put this in first. 271 CFC. It's a 2 by X. Song bit field. Okay. I will do. Hear that? Oh, twice. Hold on. There you go. Okay, because I want to see the song and the song bit field as we learn a song. So if I go to song statue, I don't have any songs. No. Okay. If I now use my flute, I don't remember what this one is. I think it's that. Then we learn the song. Like, we've got the song in the inventory. It doesn't actually change this. I want it on this, really. I think. I wonder if this counts as a location. Okay, so that doesn't change this song bit field. So that's kind of useless. Oh, I've got to do that. What do we think? I also want to turn it off. Oh. Wee! I don't know, I could press those buttons. Spend the next 3 hours. I didn't only scratch the surface. Fair enough. So the song bit fill didn't do much. We need some sort of RAM search. And we want it to be... I prefer 2 bytes so I can just see what's going on. Just do some stuff. anything out that's doing things that don't want them to. Surprising about. That's all the addresses are changing. Okay. That's not worked quite right. All of them are changing all the time. If I take out the float and I do this, wait. Yeah. Anything that's not this. And then we load that state again. That's all of them. See any that aren't changing. We've got this one, and this one aren't changing. Keep an eye on those three. Okay. This one's not changing. Now it's changing a lot. This must be playing a song. That doesn't work either then. 352, gosh. That's almost one for every day of the year. None of these are working. There needs to be a bit that counts for frames with cutscenes. Yeah, it is changing quite a lot, isn't it? All of these are changing way too fast. I want it on learning the thing, and I don't know how to find how to do this stupid RAM search thing. I can like get rid of addresses, but It's saying the ones that what I am doing when I'm not doing it. But I still get over 1 million. I mean, I could do something like this. Oh dear. Oh. Or not. What? I mean, we already want to be further down, I think. In like the 2-3 range. But we've still got far too many addresses. Like far too many. Where'd music go? Refresh the page. It seems to have had a bit of a moment. Right, there you go. I'm very confused by this. There's too many addresses. How do I know what? This is all of them, isn't it? I don't think it's either of those, any of these, because they've all been changing too much. I don't think I'm going to find this very easily. I might have to employ someone's help. Yeah, just getting them out and they all change. Oh. Okay. You know what? We move on. We move on. Right, a new branch. This is going to be called. What are we gonna add? We're gonna add Forest Realm stations. Okay, so Forest Realm stations is going to have in its regions. We need the trading post. Thank you. Somewhere someone made a bunch of locations. It's very nice of them. Oh yeah, I was also going to change all of these from a Voda village. I need to do it in the entire project though. Hold on. Replace some files. Want to a Voda with where's the match case? Match case. I want all the Aboda to be outset. I really hope this does them all. New line of preserve case. Is there a replace all? Oh, whatever. I'll just press enter a lot. And now I want lowercase Aboda with lowercase. Oh, I see. Okay. At the bottom. Ah! I did not see that. Okay, now I just have to look through everything again and make sure that it is all saying outset. Not you. Hold on, let's get these in order a little bit more. Locations. Why is it stopping my music? Okay. It just wants to preserve case instead of order. Oh well. No need to facepalm. Why is the Nightbot website is like keep stopping? I'll keep it open. Maybe that's why. Outset. I just want to make sure I've not missed any where it's saying the wrong thing. Okay. As it turns out, it's called Outset Village in the EU. Who knew? Was there anything else I wanted to look at with Aboda versus Outset? Dynamic flags. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. So that's that done. Okay, then we have got past the forest temple. I was in regions before, that's fine. Rabbitland Rescue. Oops. Is there any other places? We won't do rabbits yet, I don't think. Maybe. See how easy it is. Let's see. A lot of these we're ignoring anyway, because they're like on cutscenes. Yeah, Forest Temple. Oh yeah, I missed can't find music and keep your art coding. Oh no. I missed a thing in the Tower of Spirits. There's a bomb apparently, and I didn't realize. If I go to 7, 6. A full-time job? Wow. Okay, dude. Okay. Chunk, 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 chunk. Okay. I'm gonna need to give myself a sword. Ramwatch collection. This is the one. What is it? It's 2, I think. So I'll give 4 and I should get the Locomo sword. Not actually tis of light then. I can see it on my back. Just gotta go back out and then again. Gold Undertale music, eh? Hello, Woly Wally. Oh, I think I've got it limited to subs. Wait, where's my sword? I have a sword. Bruh, let me use my sword. But that's not good. Right, well, okay. I can use this sword. Honestly. Oh, that's your Scrum Master? That just sounds like rugby, honestly, to me. I hear Scrum Master and I think rugby. I just hear Scrum and I think rugby. Welcome in, colleague of Elliot. Of course you are your own person, but... yeah, I think I've got it limited to subs and mods. Oh, so I've got the Locomo sword in this. Oh. Whatever. Coding with music is a lot better. Okay, so there's apparently a treasure chest in the Tower of Spirits that I didn't know about. Poor Link's looking a tad bit tired. Okay, yeah, apparently you bomb up here. Because I can't be able to go around there, we'll just do here. Is it not working again? It's not, it just goes blank. We might have to stop the song requests. I don't know why, it's just like not loading the next page, you know? Someone's done a whoopsie. Oh, that's fine. Da, 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 da. Is it me? Is what me? I did a whoopsie. No! No, it's not me. Thank you. God, the music of this game is so good. Don't sound so surprised it wasn't me doing a whoopsie. I don't do that many whoopsies. Oh, the crack. Bombs. Just give me some bombs. It's a nice lot of bombs. Yeah, there's a chest here that I didn't know about. I want to see exactly how it works. Oh, I'm in a different room. Okay. In 1328. I'm missing one of the. Why have I capitalized it when all the others haven't been capitalized? Yeah, someone sent about it last night, when they were trying stuff out, and I was like, excuse me? So yeah, a cool freebie extra for you all. Bomb wall. Indeed. Let's just make this red ruby 20. It's whatever. Just needs to be something. Right, okay, so the room ID was 28, I think, which is nice. It's different. Because that means I don't have to do any coordinate stuff. I think it does need to have... If it doesn't have an address, though, I think it does need to have a coordinate, unfortunately. We'll try it without. I think it... Yeah. Everywhere else has got, like, one. Actually, that's not true. The, It is a dungeon, but, yeah, that doesn't have... It will be okay. So, yeah, it gives a rare treasure then. Okay. I'm not quite sure why this has rail cliffs in it. We do need a sword, but we don't need whirlwind. We just need bombs. Progressive. Yeah. Excuse me. Her sword and has bombs. This one's called Bomb Wall. Okay. Good. That's that. Wow, we got an ancient gold coin. Cool. Right, where were we? I got distracted by that because I remembered that being a thing. Okay. I want the rest of the forest realm. Trading post then. Let me open one. And we can head out. Hollow Knight music in Spirit Silk Song. Thought there was no Silk Song here. Oh, I'm a bit of a dummy actually. I read the tracks. Okay, well we need to find out what the track one is then. Inventory flags? Okay. Here's our tracks. We can find this. I don't think I've got B4. I've got B0. The song. Yeah, okay. New watch. This is 2653 B4. It's a 2. It's a 1 by even. A hex. And we shall copy this one and make it B5 for tracks 2, and then this one for tracks 3. Okay. Oh my god, Nightbot. So we particularly want the track. Northern Temple, Northern Castle, South Cave, West. I think we'll want Western. No, that's the wrong side. East. 04 on the first one, I think. If I make this 4, let's have a look. Indeed, okay. Let's go over there and see what happens. Yes. I need to get the patch for the D-pad patch because apparently it speeds up the train, which sounds great. Just off we go. Honk honk. We also need to determine when we need the cannon to be in logic for like enemies that need cannon. Where are we? Off we go then to hopefully the trading post. Multiple slots in the song, they won't give you any items if you already have the song. Interesting. So there is a song on there. I will write it down, just comment it out. There's a stamp book. Oh, the stamp station, but we need bombs for it. Spirit flute. The Song of Light. And the rocket after the what rocket? Song of Light recommended. Interesting. Rabbitland Rescue. All the locations of Rabbitland Rescue seem to just be giving in rabbits. Where's the trading post? Is it over there? Hi Tim. I like how you can see the ocean temple from in the distance there. That's cool. Sometimes the Nightbot one works and sometimes it just isn't, which is really annoying. Okay, so we know what is needed for the trading post. Catbot. So true. Oh. Well. Where's the trading post gone? It's on that side. I've got the wrong tracks, I guess. Hold on. Back to 1. Okay, so it's not that one. This is okay. We can kind of just go through them and see what each one is. Well, 1 didn't seem to do much, did it? No, 1 doesn't do anything. Slightly odd. 2. Okay, so 2 does these ones that's halfway up. Okay. I need to get this somewhere else. 4 is the one we were just on. 8. That's also not the right one, I'm pretty sure. Portal track, yeah. 10. Some of them might not be. Yeah, this is Fire Realm. Randomly in the middle of all the Forest Realm ones. Okay, 2 O's over this way, like a shortcut to the Forest Temple. Okay. Whoops. This is an interesting one. West track. So I think we might need this for Rabbitland Rescue. I think we will need that one, but we'll also, interestingly, then we'll also need the Forest Temple tracks for that. We'll walk a bit, pull the train for a minute. This one, oh, this one's interesting. South Cave. I am definitely missing some. We'll just keep going until we find them, I guess. I can't remember when you get the tracks to the trading post. One. Oh, this is the north bit. So this is one of the entrances we can get to think. Oh my god, it's gonna be a nightmare for logic, isn't it? So yeah, I looked it up at the start of the stream, Tim. Are you avoiding spoilers? Is this a spoiler-free haven for you, or are you just here to hang out? 8. Okay, that's another one up there. Interesting. This is doing Clubhouse. You're absolutely avoiding all spoilers. Fair dues. Nope. It's looking like we're going to need to try some new ones to get. Because we need to get, it's either here or here. I think it's like here that we need to get to. Nope. Nope. You're a slow gamer. That's okay. You just enjoy it. You spend more time on it to enjoy it more, savor it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. No. 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 I'm hoping that there's not an extra one. We can try this. Some of them haven't had anything at the start anyway, but... Oh, hold on. I need to refresh. We could try this a bit. See if it does anything. But I'm surprised it doesn't get to that place. Yeah, I don't think this is a real one. Okay. Let me check when and where you get the... I mean, it's to the ocean bit, isn't it? Repairing the bridge. So we had one that went across like down and here, but we need... seen anything like this. Where did we get the... Oh, was it the third Tower of Spirits? Yeah, okay, so it's the third... It's the ocean rail map, actually. Which then it's not restoration, I don't think. It's that's in the 1.5 and all that. Here. Ocean source? Dungeon rewards? Snuff. Ocean glyph obtained? I think that might be it. So if we do 16... one F0. If we do F4. Ooh. Press the button on my mouse. Ah, now it's really sensitive. I pressed the DPI button on my mouse. Help! Oh, hell. Right, there we go. We're back to door. This has opened up all the... And it's not giving us the tracks. This is... 16 being F4. Yeah, so we want F... Oh, I went F2. So it seems if you get the ocean glyph, then you also get the snow glyph. And now we get this pavement here. Do we get anything? No, so we don't actually get the tracks from the snow glyph. We just unlock the snow bit of map, which is interesting. Okay. That's alright. We can live with that. Hey Rick, how's it going? Okay, so... Yeah, we need this one. Good enough? Good. It's made demon trains appear. That's interesting, because demon trains aren't supposed to appear yet. Might need to to give myself a cannon. Where's the demon trains? Dark trains. Oh, is dark trains not demon trains? Watch. 26576A. They must be the wrong trains. Dark trains are probably the ones in the dark realm rather than demon trains. That's a bit unfortunate. I'm supposed to have a cannon now as well. We're okay. Oh, yeah. This is why we need a cannon. Ow. Ow. Oh my god. No! Okay. I think we can start putting the places in though. I'm just gonna trust that it's right. For now. When we get to testing, then I guess we can have more of a go at it. Right, okay. Song statue. Stamp station. Chest and ore gem? That's for a force gem, I think. So we'll comment that out. The chest. What chest is it? From the rocket article. Oh, the statue rocket. Okay. So this is. So there's multiple songs of discovery. Let's put discovery song statue, and then we can call this one light song statue, and this can be chest is fine. Game logic doesn't match cat logic. Okay. Well, we'll do these first, I guess. Update to cat logic. So true. Well, I wish this Nightbot thing would actually work. Okay. So, locations. Let's get something that's not in a dungeon. You will do. Can I minimize, please? Not minimize a whole section. Boss key chest, I don't think it's going to be a thing for a while. Right then. Trading post. Stamp station. Oh, Forest Sanctuary and Temple already got. I'll get rid of those. And I've got Whittleton. Just call it trading. This will be. We don't need item override and vanilla item. Require stamp book. Ah, yes. I want to see. You're welcome to add music, Rick. What scene it is for trading post 37. Okay. We'll need to check the room IDs of it as well. Or I might be able to just... Why am I doing it the boring way? What am I doing? $37. I can teleport. Why am I not teleporting? Except it doesn't like it doing it for me anymore, and I don't know why. It makes me sad. Can I do it out of this one? You're just having food right now, then you go shopping for food for tomorrow in the weekend, so you don't have to do that on busy work days. A 9-day work week. Woof. I would like for this to work right. I can't lie. Oh, I'm inside a thing. Well, I mean, it kind of worked. Could be a content creator. You ever once thought about doing that? Why can I not teleport anymore? It's really weird. Maybe I need to turn running background off. You said we won't be running anywhere. But it should work the same whether it's been paused or running or not. Same thing as pausing. Why can I not teleport anywhere anymore? I don't get it. Really annoying. I just wanted to check what room it was in. And I've got to run there myself. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Nightbot's having a moment. My teleportation ability is also having a moment. I don't know why, though. Why is it not working anymore? What do we have? Trading, post, is it like outside? We'll name it something and we can change the name of it. Trading post discovery song statue. Trading post discovery song statue. It still exists, it's just not being very good. Why does there have to be multiple places you can learn the song? Song of Awakening. It's on Song of Discovery. Stamp is not true. Spirit flute. Okay. Song of Light. Left side of the cave. Wait, no. From the rocket after the cave. I don't quite know what to call these. A Song of Light. Okay. And then the regal ring. Oh, that still don't work. I want to just, there we go. Chest. Chest. What's this normally give? It gives the Regal Ring. I'll put Regal Ring in here. But I don't know if Regal Ring is actually an item. Treasure Regal Ring. It does exist, so that's fine. We can put that in. May as well. What's it saying? I need Boomerang. Song of Discovery. Song of Light is recommended. Why is Song of Light recommended? I will need to test some of these requirements at some point. I need another couple of these in it. Right, there we go. Okay. What's wrong with the song quest? Yeah. It's because it just randomly keeps pausing. It's very annoying. And I have to refresh the page to make it actually go. It's a bit random whether it does work or not as well. So it's kind of half working. This is very intense, this music. It's not quite coding music. The intense code writing with Colgera above me. Hey Kizu. How's it going? I've had some issues. If you fancy helping me, then you'd be very welcome to. I really need to find song statue addresses, like when you learn a song from a statue, and I'm finding it very hard to actually find that. Okay. Forest realm 2. Trading post. Yeah. False. I am gonna need logic for each of them. Okay. We've got glyph and canon. Wait, so what's the one that needs temple tracks? Oh, I have got a temple tracks. Where did I... Oh, it's in Overworld instead of the train bits. Let's chuck it in with the train bits, I think. And it's all in one place. Here we go, rail items. Okay. Oh, it's something temple tracks. Oh, that's cool. I'm so good. Right, okay. Has glyph. I might be able to do something similar here. But instead of temple tracks, we want to put has like station tracks or overworld tracks, I don't know. And this is we'll just put tracks in here. Tempo equals something. Tempo equals tracks plus something tracks. Oh, gotta reload the Nightbot again. Wait, no, the queue's empty. Oh. The song queue's empty this time. Okay. Oh, maybe I'll call it like misc tracks. I can't fix that. If I was just a bit of a video to do something though, you probably wouldn't have been able to. You're working. Okay. My bad. So for this one, we do need the glyph. We just need ocean glyph. Has glyph state player and then ocean. I think that's how it works. Ocean glyph. Yes. What's it complaining about? Oh, I missed a comma there, that's why. What? Unexpected types, two string ball. What? Ocean realm. There's realm forest. Okay, state player forest has glyph. ST has glyph. So forest on trotting post. Why is it complaining? This looks like the same as this. Hover over. I did, and it didn't help help me know what's going on. I have to state. It just looks the same to me as the other one. Like, I don't quite see how it's different from when we had this one up here. I'm just gonna comment on the previous line. Oh, for God's sake. Right, okay. Thank you. Right, from trading post then, we want to go to trading post discovery song statue. This, instead of has glyph, we want has spirit float, and we need to get rid of this then. So song statue, this song statue. Do I need anything else? No, apparently not. Okay. Oh. Chest. I'll put the T in there. T. Apparently. Yeah, this set needs boomerang. Boomerang. What else is it? And Song of Discovery. We'll see about the. I always do that. I always forget about It's not going on. It's not happening. Ah! I don't want boomerang twice either. It's just... I don't know, it's just not happening. I also need to change this, I think, potentially. No, okay. I was wondering if I needed another bracket, but no, I don't think I do. Right. Whoa! Right, what's this last one called? Stamp Station. Okay. So this apparently needs just bombs and stamp book. Let's hope that's right. Money boomerangs. Okay, next region then. Although I do want to take out for now, until I find something for the songs, I would like to take out the song ones. Which is okay. I just wanted to make sure I actually had them in correctly before I did that. I'd rather have them all ready and then I can just uncomment when they're doable. I do want to make sure actually with the glyph. A state dot has... Do I have all the glyphs in here? I do have all the glyphs. Okay. I will need the ocean glyph. What's the Spirit Tracks song item? Back to Ocarina of System. Well, it's the Spirit Flute. Toot toot. Like that. Where else have we got? Rabbit Land Rescue. I will do mini games at some point. Do 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 do. That's how. Island in water. Join the Rabbit Land family. That's fine. Rabbit Land net and water. Well, we'll deal with the rest of the rabbits at some point. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay. There must be a stamp station in Rabbit Land, no? Is there not? Can we be slightly intense on less intense on the next song, please? That was quite a lot. What is this? Oh, it's Dragon Quest. Net gift. Rabbit Land. I thought it was like Superman. Rabbit Land net. Do I have the... I don't know if I've got the rabbit net. I think I kind of do and I don't. I do have rabbit net. Oh, this is more like it. Of course, I don't actually have the address and value, but I think that one should be in the inventory flags. No? Oh. We have an adventure flag for the rabbit net. Let's check this one as well. Hmm. Apparently not. There was the one in here about a rabbit net. I don't even know what this means, why I wrote that. Obtains the net. What happens if I put that in then? New. 26572F. In hex net. Right, so this is saying, oh, I apparently got 2. Whoops. Oh yeah, watch train coming out of garage cutscene. I must have already had it. I do. Hold on, let me get rid of that one then. It sounds like Mario Galaxy. So we want 4-2 then. 4-2. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go in a house, go in a loading zone. Collection. I think it would turn up here if I had it. No, it's the tune. The do 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 do. I don't think that's actually given me the net, but maybe it has. Let me give myself the cannon a minute. Where's the cannon gone? Cannon. Here it is. 1-7. I want to see if I've got a rabbit net. Obtaining the net unlocking story says that you may or may not have triggered now. I don't really know. Let's go somewhere we know there's a rabbit. Okay, let's try that on a different save state. I think that was probably one I teleported into. Oh yeah, I wanted the cannon, that was it. Two F is 4-2. Oh, you, Kizzy Girl, you have to be subbed or mod, I'm afraid. So, but it is 25% off on all new subs during September! September. Right, somewhere over here is a rabbit. Is it in? I still don't have net in my collection though, so I'm not feeling super, you know, confident. But the RAM watch is still saying, yeah, 4-2. Okay. I have no money to sub and use my Prime already. Oh. Well. Maybe you'll get lucky and someone will be very kind. Okay, no, we don't have the net. Cool. Got some other nice. Oh, they're cute. That's very cute. I love a good red panda one. Based on what spot I can't expect an item's address to start with 2652. That's a good chance. Basically, It tends to be sections in memory do certain things, but like here's the chunk of inventories. Here's the chunk for adventure flags, etc. I was hoping we'd have the rabbit lad net in here, but we're going to have to find it ourselves. For now, we can continue. I will come back to that. In fact, I will put a to-do here. Okay. Regions. So there's just the two there, chest and net. Okay, Rabbit Land Rescue Net Gift. Rabbit Net does exist at least. What's the place called? Rabbit Haven. 3E. Is that what it's called instead of Rabbit Land Rescue in the European version? It's quite a few times I've been like a weird mixture of the different regions' names for things. I don't think I require anything. No, I just need to be able to get there. Says message first. Yeah, that's what I meant. Inventory chunk. Yeah. Got a Miku Red Panda Winter Edition acrylic stand. Ooh. Because they would use whatever memory they had. No, yeah, some of it is a bit wacky, which is a bit annoying. But there we are. Chest. I would really love the teleporting to work, and I don't know why it's not anymore. Chest. Vanilla item is apparently a treasure. So I'll just make it a red rupee because we want the person to have enough money, basically. Island and water. I wonder what you need for that then. That's just a 2 here, isn't it? Yeah, okay. A skill issue? No. It is so Superman coded, this music. You can't tell me otherwise. Why did it come back down here? Come get back there, you cheeky bugger. Right, okay. Instead of trading post now, we want Rabbit Land. Yes. So this is gonna need our new one that I made that I don't remember the name of. Has misc tracks. So this is gonna say something tracks in the thing. So we'll put Rabbit Land tracks in. Rabbit Land Rescue. And so then we need in the items, we then need to make a Rabbit Land Rescue tracks. I don't think I need the set bit, honestly. Hold on. Just gotta refresh the Nightbot page. Don't they work yet? Whoopsie. So to me, it looked like you added a memory address of an adventuring channel to see if that gave you a net. Yeah, but occasionally like the adventure flag for the cannon gives you the cannon. This train cannon unlocked actually gives you the cannon, so that some of them are a little bit. You just gotta try it. And to do that, then you should turn off auto formatting. No. Not allowed. Where were the track items? Okay. Rabbit Land Rescue. When do we get the Rabbit Land Rescue? Oh, you know what? I think it might be one of these ones. Hold on. One of the glyphs. I think it might be the snow glyph. 16. If I put F1, not to be confused with Formula 1. Aha! Because it's up here, I believe. It does give you the start of these ones as well, but that's just what happens. So you will actually get access to a Nuki village as well. So I maybe I ought to add that. But I don't know. We'll start with just Rabbit Land Rescue. Okay. So this needs, so instead of Rabbit Land Rescue tracks, actually, I'm going to just make it we're gonna say has glyph, and then we'll make the snow glyph. That's fine. Because I think I already made that. Yes, I did. Yeah, and then you get massive download sizes and it's the worst. Okay. It's weird to have like something in the forest realm but need a different glyph. Never mind, eh? So this needs to be then Rabbit Land, and it needs to go to Rabbit Land chest or Rabbit Land net. I guess we'll do chest. And this needed nothing. We'll see if that's correct when we get there. None. And this is Rabbit Land net. Also doesn't need anything. Okay, I think that's all the forest realm checks at the moment that I haven't added yet. Like the shop ones, I'm only gonna have like actual shop ones, I think, and not the other stuff. Like, but at the bottom here we have like these shops. But I think, whoops, but I think this is Beedle, so he only turns up in Snow Realm if I remember right. It's similar to the, oh yeah, let's add 8k checks just in case. Oh. Another cost that gave the Hollow Memory Bank is allocated in use of Pokemon. Oh, a classic. There's not a single bit left on there. Interesting. Okay. We also probably want to do more Tower of Spirits at some point. Oh, with Song of Discovery. Oh, I've made myself a bit lightheaded. There's a couple of bits in. Okay. In a boulder. Oh, I shouldn't have whistled inwards. Yeah, that's fine, because code gives me up to just thoroughly for the actual code like outside rather than the focus and rank up. Yeah. Also, because it's a DS, you know. Oh, God. Why did I do this to myself? Okay. Oh, this is the trees! Far right side tree. Oh, this is the trees! Okay. Are they in locations? I don't think they are. No, they're not. Da, 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 da. Do-do-do-do. Sorry, I'm just having a bit of a A bit of a fun time. Let's call it. I think far right tree is fine. Far right tree. What is this one called? Right tree? Yeah, right tree and left tree. Okay, right tree has a treasure. Rupee's fine. Yeah, it doesn't have. We are going to need to add coordinates instead. So I will copy this, but we will comment that out because we need to actually make the things. I could do that soon though. And we need to require item. Spirit float. Spirit flute, and I need Song of Discovery. I believe I did all the songs already. Yeah. Okay. And we need the same thing, but for left tree. Where is it? Is it far left? Tree next to Nico's house. Okay. Nico's house tree. Cool. I can actually look for these ones now, I think. I just need to give myself the flute. Flute. I think it's like 8-2. Yeah, and I need to give myself. I'll just give myself all the songs. Orange, yellow, orange, blue. Right, let's get ourselves some coordinates. We could be fairly generous with it. Right, let me just put this on this screen. Sorry, just makes things a bit easier for me. Far right tree. 27449. 43663. That's like very plenty. This is a big X11490. I have noticed that every room has like a different maximum and minimum size, which is interesting. 33968. Okay. May as well, like. Converting it to hex. Well, no, because the coordinates are not in hex. Otherwise, I would. Otherwise, I'd be writing in hex like all the others. But yeah, the coordinates are not in hex. They're signed in. Okay. Some nice early game checks. We like having more early game checks. This is minus 60427. Just have a little run. That'll do. This is minus 41317. Doesn't need to be very precise, to be honest. This is 10,523. And 28762. And I need to refresh the page again. We get a couple of songs before it decides it needs refreshing. Right, there we go. We've got 2 new items. Incredible. Wow. Okay. The stamps. I think we need to look more into the stamp stuff to make that happen. The stamp book and Canon Spirit Train saying Tower of Spirits 2 clear. Updates after getting stamp book. Well, I can test that now. I've got my Snow Realm thing. If I go in and out of somewhere, wait, can I talk to him and he gives me a stamp book? He doesn't tell me to. I do have a stamp book apparently. If I don't have a stamp book for a minute and I go in. I'll have a look in a second, Rick. I think it might be the collection one. Stamp book 39. Two 65739. 38. Am I being blind? Oh well. It's very odd. I wouldn't already have it, but whatever. If I make this 0 then, so we don't have a stamp book, and then I go in. So we've got the glyph, but we temporarily haven't got stamp book. Apparently not. I was hoping that the glyph would be what tells you whether you can get the stamp book or not. If I do F3 just to be sure. He thinks I'm in soldier's uniform and everything. Okay. That's gonna need something different. More of a experimentation, I think. Okay. You're cooking? That's nice. Anything that's in a cutscene, we don't really want. Field training, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to be able to do that. Okay, well I think we've got like kind of everything. Boomerang. Boomerang. The whip mini game is an interesting one. I couldn't find an address for that very easily. Okay, so I mean, we've kind of got everything. I do want to try and teleport around, especially to like Rabbitland Rescue, but I think it's going to be mean to me and not let me. Don't really know why. No music. Oh dear. I think we've only got one song in the queue. Well, I thought I spotted was missing off the Song of Discovery in the code. What in items? Or in locations? No, because it's the last one before the curly brace, so it's fine. I am going to item override, but instead of bombs, I'm going to item override Song of Discovery because we'll need that. It just means that it gets generated. It's there after stamp book. Yeah, because this wasn't. I don't know. You can do, but you don't have to. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, it doesn't matter for the braces. If it's the last line, essentially, it doesn't matter. You just need it if there's going to be a line after. I want to go to these places and it just won't let me. .3e. It's just not teleporting me anymore. Weird. Got mail. Wow. But I would really love to teleport right now because I need to. I need to check these places. Tell you what I can do though. Oh, I guess I have to pick up the thing first. That's fine. It's back when teleporting worked. Do do do. Can you not just edit your coordinates and reload? No, coordinates are within within each scene or stage. It just used to work like that, and I don't know why it doesn't anymore. Now, I want to load the rest of Tower Spirits anyway. Question is, what exactly will do that? Adventure flags. Tower of Spirits. Oh, it might be the source. If we put the sources in. RAM watch 14. I've just put FF in. Do we get? Oh, we do. Yum. Thanks. Thanks, woman. Okay, so it's the forest source that gives you the next thing. This is Tower of Spirits 2. Okay. Where's... do I have Tower of Spirits? I have glyphs. I need though... I need to have the sources. Forest source. That's what it's called, but I could just put Dunderwood or something, but we'll call it forest source. And these happen... whoops. When you beat a boss. So we could do classification, item progression. Oops. Oh my goodness, I'm having a moment. Address. This is 5714. Value is actually 10. And we may as well make one of these for each thing. Okay. So this is the snow source. This is the ocean source. Source, fire source. We don't know where the desert source is. Apparently. That's all we need for now. And so this one's 2-0, and then we've got 4-0, and then we've got 8-0. Good. This means that the Forest Temple dungeon reward vanilla item is actually forest source. Okay. Because the heart container is a heart container. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me double check on the map what that also does for the map. Ooh. Ooh, wiggly line. Sure, use individual bits to set certain flags, not invites. Yeah. It doesn't actually make the shortcut. That's interesting. Don't create tracks. Exactly. Because I think usually you get like this essentially. That's okay. Those will be powers of 2. That is how binary works. Right, Tower of Spirits. What do we want to call? Do we want to call this like? I think we call this section. I think we go for like section 1. And we make in the logic where we do Tower of Spirits. I think we do Forest Run TOS, and then I think we do TOS to TOS section 1. I think this is probably what we want to do. And so then this is going to be section 1 instead of just TOS. Okay, that's fine. Missed another comma. This is new to this week, enjoying trying to decode. Well, fair enough then. I enjoy you being here and chatting. I think that works better. So then we've got TOS section 1 and then section 1 to all of these. So then after this we have TOS section 2 and from here we can do the floors. Okay. I like this. I like this. You know what, without any music. I could put music back on, it's okay. Whoops, wrong one. Okay. What have we got in Tower of Spirits 2? I think I got all of these. Tower of Spirits 2, we've got all the Tears of Light, which is also going to need a whirlwind, plus the sword. 4th floor, middle yellow chest. You see nothing, sir. I'm so sneaky. Ah. Middle yellow chest. This one, okay. POS, 4th floor, central chest. Okay. I just give treasure, that's fine. So, past onto the 5th floor. Okay, yeah, because they say any phantom. Okay. 5th floor, bottom, middle island near lava yellow chest. I thought I have to kill spin it with key. Oh, so that's a key, that's big room. Okay. That'll be a chest then, I guess. Or island chest. TOS 5th floor island chest. And this one is going to need, this one's going to need whirlwind, so let me just do that. And then there's a spinnet apparently. Whoops. TOS 5th floor. Spinnet key. That says Sinnet. Spinnet key. Sixth floor. Bottom right knockover key with whirlwind. Key. We'll actually need keys. Oh my god. I probably ought to be doing this in a different branch actually. Let's request more music, but you can't. Yeah, you can tell someone else what music to request, I guess. TOS 7th floor. Is it on the 7th floor or is it the rail map? I'm gonna say it's on the 7th floor because I think they do generally. Alright, we've got some more chests. 6th floor, top right chest, 1, 2, 3. Well, I guess we've got to kind of just keep that ready, don't we? 6th floor. If it's instead of top right though, I tend to do like northeast. One, two, three. Top right chest, yellow chest. Northeast. Big chest. 4th floor. Top right yellow chest. What the heck just happened? I see what just happened. Oops. Instead of central, then this is gonna be top right northeast. Also nice commas. And then 5th floor top right secret room chest. Oops. Okay. I ought to be doing. Ooh. Ooh. I ought to be doing this in a different branch, but I'll just make the regions and then we can do the actual stuff in a different branch. Okay. Shall we have a go at doing them? I would like, please, if you would, a sword, and I would like a whirlwind, which I think is 4. It's not 4. 2. And we any sort of branch currently owns Revenant. Yeah, but I will do though. Boomerang. Is it 1? Is it 1? I thought it was higher than 1. It is. Okay. Alright. Ow. Ow. He's so rude. Am I supposed to do this? Oh, good. Okay. It's not just a timing thing, is it? It is just a timing thing. And then commit changes you want, then make new branch, commit the remainder. Well, that sounds really confusing to try and know what ones I have and haven't done. I can't lie. Oh, he walks in front of it, I see. Diddly ding ding ding. So is this where they're like, oh yeah, you can use the whirlwind? I want to try also using boomerang. Let me give myself all the items. So if I do something like, okay, so you can't boomerang it. You mean you can't whip it? No. Whip it good. Okay, so you have to boomerang, have to whirlwind it. Do, 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 do. Oh. Hehe. Well, that's annoying, isn't it? Just gonna, you know, run for it. And so all these other ones past this point need the whirlwind. Okay. Where is this other? Where? I'm just gonna ignore him. So there's nowhere here, is there? No, okay. All right. In the lava you go, woman. So there's like an island or something? Oh. Maybe I need to make this one spin over here. Okay, yeah, then there's this chest on the left. Okay. I forgot about the stupid hitboxes of these have. Big green rupee. Oh. Right, there we go. Off we go. You're in the way. Excuse me. So, I guess this is the spin it, what's it? You stay there. And I'll get it round. No, you're not supposed to go that way. Whatever. How's it know? Oh, I'm chasing a rat. It's okay. I happen to have a boomerang. Really? It doesn't even hit it. Aha, I got it. Perfect. So good at games. Okay. That one didn't need anything. We've got a key. What's going on here? Hop in. There's an interesting looking hill in the middle of it. And a dead end. What do you mean no? You're clearly higher up. We're having a bit. What do you mean? Is there like a switch up here or something? I have a boomerang. Okay, so we need a boomerang to open this door. What's over here? Is this the secret bomb room or something? Oh, hold on, I need to give myself some bombs. Is that the secret bomb room? No. Because at this point... Oh no, at this point you do have a... Do you have a boomerang? No, at this point you've just got... You've just got the old... whirlwind. I'm pretty sure. Really? Oh well. I see. Oh, here's the secret room. It really is in the... It's not very secret, and it's very much in the corner. Oh, so this is 5th floor. We got the spinet key, we got the island chest, and we got... This is secret chest then. Hooray! Wow. I feel like my brain can hear the beeping of health. Come on, woman. So this is back down to the 4th floor. At this point, we needed a boomerang to hit the switch to get over here. So anything past this point needs boomerang. Oh. Interesting. Let me do the thing of committing only some changes. I haven't changed any of these. Changed any of them. So there's still, and then like with the items. New branch. Look at specific lines of file. Oh, I didn't understand. Whatever, it's fine. It's okay. Then we can do this in Tower of Spirits because we need some of the bits in here anyway. Oh, you're supposed to go up here on the back of the Miss Zelda. You know what, Zelda? Just keep running. What's through this here door then? You know what? Good enough. I'll talk about it to not get confused later. Oh well. Too late now. Okay, so we've got to do to kill. Oh, this is the northeast chest. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Ow. Woman, don't stop fighting them just because you got hit. Ow. So this one only needs sword as well because of what's the face, but we do also need the Tears of Light. We'll have to think about extra logic for keys in a bit. This is quite difficult, if I'm honest. Okay. No, you need to actually hit the dude. Ah! No, hit him more than once. Hit him! Zelda! Zelda, hit! Hit! Okay, well, we've almost done it. Right, there we go. Woof. Oh, we've got a new song. Where's my chests? Whoa, chests galore. My brain isn't really braining right now. So that's just 4 checks in one place. A northeast chest 1, 2, 3. But to get here, we do need to have a sword. Whirlwind. But we haven't used any keys yet. Zelda, please. What? Oh, but we also needed the boomerang to get there. So this was sword, boomerang, whirlwind. Although anything past the first law is whirlwind anyway, so. I think you're probably supposed to come back to that when you've got a boomerang. Although I'm still not entirely sure how you're supposed to get that one on the floor above. Or below, was it? Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to get any of this. Northeast chest. So there's something here. How are you supposed to cross the gap? Whirlwind, boomerang, and bombs. Whirlwind and boomerangs go over here, but how does bombs help? I didn't see a switch. Oh god! I didn't realize this had like some 80s synths in it. Been wasp trying to get in my room, but my window's not open. I like how it's got bits of like the Shadow Temple music. So this is just whirlwind and sword. Okay. Where's my chest though? 6th floor, northeast big chest. Ooh. There's definitely a look of a chest and it just hasn't given me any. Okay, but it looks like I need to... Okay, Zelda. Go through here anyway, regardless of how many keys I have. Zelda, why? I don't remember the pathfinding being this bad. I'm not quite sure I'm supposed to not get hurt by the flame over here. I'm just going to tank it, because I'm hard. Oh, it's a timing thing. Bruh. The moon is coming! Can I yoink it with a boomerang from really far away? I've probably got to get a bit closer. Can I yoink it from here with a boomerang? No. Oh, but it would expect whirlwind, I guess, here. Can I boom? I can boomerang it. I don't know if whirlwind would also work. I assume it would. Because you don't normally have boomerang it. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Oh god! It's just that one on the 4th floor. Other than that, it's pretty okay. And yeah, and this is on the 7th floor. Okay, and then we get the glyph, the snow glyph, and with the snow glyph we get the tracks to get to Rebel and Rescue, yeah. Okay, but there is the tunnel there, and I think that if you're over there, then you need to use your cannon. You need to get a cannon to get through the tunnel to get there. Okay. Well, we may as well add all of them. You just need the different sources. Okay. Let's make some more locations. Okay. Whoops. So this is... The song is older than me. Hey, Jean. Well then. It's very fun. 4th floor. Central chest. Common treasure. Oh, I think this will be room ID 3. I'm pretty sure. We need to do the coordinates of all of them. Dungeon, Tower of Spirits. It's not gaming music, but I'll let Jean off. Whirlwind is a no. But instead of whirlwind, we need the forest source. Ah, the memo's in the pin. It's okay. I'll let you off because you talked about it the other day. I think that's right. And we'll just need this for all of them. 4th floor. Northeast chest. Northeast. And I wish I could have 3 windows open, that'd be great. This is just more treasure. Excuse me. There's a slot machine. Oh, that's funny. I mean, all of them are gonna need forest source. This one needs also to have whirlwind. Apparently boomerang and bombs as well. Or boobs as it says. Not quite sure where the bombs come in, but I'll believe them. Then we need 5th floor. 5th floor island chest. And from here on out we need the whirlwind as well. We'll just go over the vanilla items later. But 5th floor is going to be room 4. Spinnet key. Oh, I forgot to change this to 5th floor. Spinnet key. This is spooky music. Secret chest. That was the bombable wall. What did I call the other one that was in a wall? Bomb wall chest. Secret chest. And this is probably going to be another room. I don't think I can go back though. You use all your tears of light. Yeah, okay. That's annoying. We'll come back to that at some point then. This does need bombs. And it needs the boomerang. Right then. The northeast stuff also needs this, but except without no boomerang. No bombs. Okay. This is... You don't know what you should wish for Christmas? Couldn't help you there. Yeah, enemy chest? I think that works. This is... Probably anyway. The likelihood is high. I think that's right. Northeast chest 2. Chest 3. And bit of Mario Kart Wii. Big chest. We'll take this one. And this is 6th floor key. Going to give a small key TOS. Is that what I called it? Where's my keys? Ah, here they are. Oh, I haven't made one. Dungeon then. I need to put in here in the notes. We'll make TOS. TOS is a lot of keys, so I might make 8-5. How many keys are in? We've already got 2. I'm just gonna make all of this. But now, I might have to make it smaller. I don't know quite how many it has. Where's the blimmin'? I've lost it when it's not normal. Okay, hold on. I need to double check this is actually an okay thing though. Yeah, I can't remember what the command is. It is though. Mario Kart Wii Music menu medley. There you go. Dungeon. Maybe make that 2-0? I don't know. Where's my constants? Stage flag, stages. Regs 13. Small key TOS. We had this earlier. Tower of Spirits. Dungeon key data. Where is this coming from? The 0x18 Fatality TOS. Ah, the stages. Okay, so we want 0x13 then. I'll put it in here for now. 1, 3. That's 1-8 for the... Yeah, for the tunnel. Okay, so 1-3 is Tower of Spirits. What are the other song commands? I don't know! Let's just make this one big. So filter is how many? So the filter I'm gonna make like 8-8. Whoopsie. 8-8. Just for now. Value is where it starts, which is 1. The size is 16 bits. Wait, no, it's 8 bits. Sorry. 2 lots of 4. Is it? Yeah, it's 2 lots. Yeah, okay. So we've got dungeon keys in there. I need to add all the things in here. And so then in items, I've got small key TOS. And then in location, small key TOS. Okay. Were there any other... Oh, we had the rail map. You're right, Tim. 7 for... Wait, what did I call the other one? Want to be forest rail glyph. This is the snow rail glyph. Seven for rail map. Oh, Tim, those are the wrong. That's the wrong vote. Well, I mean that's the bot for Tim for that Steffan made. That doesn't. The music's on Nightbot. Have I got everything? Four central chest, 4 northeast chest, island chest, spinet key, bomb wall chest, secret chest. The 1, 2, 3 enemy chests plus the big chest. The 6th floor key. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It also requires small keys. How did I do this? Requires small keys. Okay, we didn't require any in here. just did it in the logic bit. That's fine. Okay. I think this works. We'll just need to go through with all the coordinates at some point. What? What are you doing? Why would I want Swedish? Bots are confusing. I've got two bots. One's Steffan made and one's the Nightbot made because it's Nightbot. So let's get this in. Did I make section 2 in regions? Where's regions gone? I'm not blind, am I? Just closed regions. That's really annoying. Oh, it's over here. I'm a fool. Right, okay. Do the quick refresh again. God, the mini games. So this one doesn't need anything. Oh, but section 2 does need something. Section 2 leaves lambda state section 2 st has glyph. No, it's not glyph. I think I need to make a new one. I don't think I've got. Oh wait, no. That's fine. We just need to make a new one for instead of glyph, what's it called? Where's my items? Come over here, items. Always skip it after a bit. Instead of glyph, this is source. And it's just called whatever source. Okay. This is fine. I just realized I'm dumb. Look, they put it in here and then they put F. Instead of having all this, we can do like this. Oh my god. Does that work? I feel like it should work. Oh my god. Pump up the flute. So true. I don't like it, but I am learning it, you're right. There we go. Yeah, so now we have something source. Good. I've seen the light. This is very lovely. I feel like I can code to this. Wait, no, not state. I'm going round in circles otherwise. That was a bit confusing, wasn't it? I need a string. I need forest source. Okay. Very quiet. Oh, it's quite a video going on. There you go. Just as you thought you were about to have standings, no longer. Where do you go? Alright, you shut the sound down. Coming bad. Okay. There's a Brit singing pretty perfect German. Hell yeah. Let's go Britain. Okay. Do we need anything else? I don't think we do for the section 2. So then from section 2 to TOF 4 floor central chest, we don't need anything, I don't think. We need a sword, though. We do need a sword. No, we don't. That's a lie. The central chest you could just get to. Wait, no, it's fine. 4th floor. Yeah, because the chest was just here and you just could run, so we don't need a sword for that one. My random circles. Okay. Oh. We will need it from here onwards, though. For northeast chest is a weird one, to be fair. Let me just write 5th floor, just the 5th floor one, just so I can copy paste it a bit easier. We need sword. And oh my god, I never press and the first time. Whirlwind. Yeah, that's fine. From here, I can actually copy paste a little bit. What I can do instead of that, what I can do is from here, I can do from the island chest, because if you can get from island chest, you can get all the others. If you get something else, can you get the island chest? Basically, I go back on the map. It goes. You get the 3 tiers of like here, here, and here, and you head up through here, up to the 5th floor, and at the 5th floor, this is where a chest is, and you need the whirlwind. After that point, so you don't actually need the whirlwind. Wait, hold on, you don't need the whirlwind for that. Was it? And chest. You need a whirlwind after that. What the heck has happened? Oh, that's because that's that one. It's this one I want to delete. After that point, you need the whirlwind. So maybe I'll give this as 5th floor spin it key, because you do need the whirlwind and you need the sword for that, so I think that's probably a better place to use. It is a little bit grotty, but I don't want to have giant long logic sentences all the time, so this one's also spin it key, I think, because you need the whirlwind. And it's actually for the 4th floor northeast chest. And I need to refresh the thing again. So this one, as with the spin it key, needs sword, it needs whirlwind, but it also needs, and as fault source, boomerang and bombs. Except I'm actually going to do it a different way. I'm just going to have bombs. So actually, yeah, that's fine. So I want then island chest to spin it key. It might not like this though because it's out of order. That's okay. I can make the whole thing a different order. Okay. So then we get to the spin it key. Island chest spin it key. And in the spin it key, we just need those two. Then we have the bomb wall chest. And this is one we can do here. Oh, it's secret chest. Of course I would prank myself and make them different region names to location names. Because this needs the bombs. No, this needs the... Well, this means boomerang and bombs. Again. No, whatever. So this ST has, whoops, boomerang. Okay. We'll just make the spin it king. We'll make them the same. I mean, I'm just confused at this point. Okay. I've thoroughly confused myself. At this time, we don't need bombs. Okay. Sword, whirlwind, boomerang. For... Well, we don't need whirlwinds mentioned every time. That was the whole point. For the 6th, for northeast chest 1. What is this one? Day of 6. Interesting. Shouldn't it be as a case? What? I don't know what you just said to me. Oh, excuse you. Anything that's going from the spin it key. Is it boomerang? Selenial rang. Oh my god. Bad joke, Gene. Bad joke. Bombs, boomerang, whirlwind. So I also don't need sword either because... Whoops. Because that's from spin it. Okay. And from island chest, we've already got sword. I've made my life way harder than it needs to be by doing this. But it will be cleaner at the end. So it goes sword, iron chest to spin it key, adds whirlwind. From spin it key to secret chest, we add the bombs and the boomerang. From spin it key to northeast chest, we add bombs and boomerang. From spin it key to the northeast chest 1, 2, and 3, we add boomerang. Okay. It's not a Friday. Zoomerang. One of the methods back in the day for this was boomer watch for Phantom Hourglass. It's not needed anymore, but that was a classic. Whoops. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It is in fact Thursday. Northeast chest 1, 2, 3. Northeast big chest. These all have the same thing of just needing boomerang, as well as sword and whirlwind. Okay. Brain is melting a little bit, but that's okay. 6th floor key doesn't need boomerang. But what it does need is TOS 5/4 spin it key to TOS 6th floor key. At some point during this, we needed a small key. I've lost track of when we needed a small key. It was to get to this one. It was to get to this one. Oh, this needs to be... What, just Snowcliff? I can't remember what I called it. Yeah. God, can you please stop doing this Nightbot? It's truly annoying. King of Rot. Tell you what, does this have what needs a key? Whirlwind, boomerang, bombs. No, it hasn't mentioned small key. Mentioned what one gives small key though. It's for the spin it and yeah, this one, which I expected. Should I do the spin it one needing having a key? Oh, but the rest of them don't really matter, I don't think. The rest of them could be treasure or rupees. Because I believe that's what all the rest of them are. Right. So then for the key, we require one key for this. I think. Yeah. Yeah, okay. False. It's pretty good. The music. ST has key. Small key. One small key. We don't need boomerang, we just need whirlwind and sword. Okay. And then from here we can do TOS 6 4 key to TOS 7 floor rail map files 2. Okay. If we want a goal, we can make the goal in here. It's having a lot of bangers. Nice. Yeah, okay. That looks about right. Do I need to make anything else? I have the regions. I need to check. I have the keys. I have everything else. It's probably fine. Constants. I need. Okay. Small key TOS, stages, we've got Tower of Spirits in here. Tower of Spirits main. Okay. Just need to add them to this then. Hold on a minute. I suppose it is from a game. I can't complain. The concept of love. That could have been a problem. Jet Set Radio Future, fair enough. Concept of love. Okay. Get them all in here. I only need a bit of space, one space, and it doesn't put it off over to the end. And it formats it right, which is nice. But we can just auto format in a second. Ass. He said ass. My mobile's transferred successfully now. Very nice. Yeah. That should be all of them for Tower of Spirits. Is there anything else I need to put in? I mean, some of these don't actually exist, so. They don't seem to break anything though. And then that works, hopefully. Wait. I don't know how to... There we go. Apparently I don't know how to hex. Okay. Then we just need to do the coordinates of this one. I should have done this the first time round. Hey ho. I've got to go soon. I just wanted to keep an eye on these. Okay, yeah, it's none of those that changed. I did know that, Jean, considering Bob the Builder is a British thing. It did reach #1, I believe. Okay. We're going to need to give ourselves a sword again. Don't want search, I want watch. Oh, I need to 16? I think. No, it wasn't that one. Which one was it? I can't remember. Not inventory. The source. It was 14. She's now going to talk to a sponge. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's more Deus Ex. I did not realize Deus Ex had such bangers. Right, I do also need to give myself a sword. Good. And I also need to give myself a whirlwind. Okay. It's kind of a progressive source though, rather than... Because if you get the ocean source, you probably could just go straight up all of them. Okay. Right then, central chest. You're going to be -8703. Best thing out there. I've never played it. This is 6554. Actually, I can add a bit to it just to make sure. Same with this one. I've been caught out by this before. Not giving enough room. 1638. We'll add a bit to that. We don't really need to add more to this one. Although I will anyway. 10, 670. Gosh, there's a lot of coordinate changing just in this bit. And yeah, so this is a treasure. Okay. We're not going to get many more songs. A lot of them will have to wait until next time, I'm afraid. Oh, come on. Well, in the meantime. Oh. Oh no. No! Bad gamer. Quick, Link, run! Haha! Oh. Okay. I'm sure he won't notice this. I thought you were good at this game. Oh! Teamwork. That's not gonna work though. She's so rude. Why are you even watching it? No! Not gamer enough. That's so sad. Why is this so banging? I better not be generous with this one because of the rat. Okay. This one is -35226. I could be generous with this side a bit more. Oh! Stop. What is happening? What's going on? Lava's hot. I know. I'll add a bit more to this one. I can add a bit more to the last one actually as well. 323. Oh, 400 then. We'll add a bit more to this one, and we'll add a bit more to the last one as well. Just to be on the safe side, like. very hard to not jump into it. 51200 30. There you go. These things from the minimum instead of adding. That's the maximum though. Wait. Yeah. No, you're right. Did I do that on the last one? It looks like I rounded something. Maybe I didn't actually. I don't know. No. Surprised that worked. Oh, I've got to go. I know, during the banging music. Why is my chord? Oh, because of the like going up and down. Because of her like moving ever so slightly in the animation, my coordinates are changing. Oh, well, now I've got to check this one again. Honestly. At least that one's easy to check. But thanks for pointing that out. Right, let's find someone to raid. Oh, nightmare. Forgot to give someone his resignation. Can you believe it? Ba 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 ba. Okay. We're rating 360 Chris M because I don't want to send you all into spoiler territory for Silksong. You're welcome. He's doing some Clubhouse games again, so that's nice. Yeah. I'll be back tomorrow, normal time tomorrow. I don't know what we'll do. We'll do something. I don't, yeah. Who knows? I hope you had a nice time today. Despite it being a bit shorter than usual. It wasn't like loads shorter, but yeah. And I know that coding is probably isn't the most exciting thing to watch, but you get to use your brain muscles. My stream's so short because Kat was at IKEA earlier. And I went via the motorway. I had to drive down the motorway. Oh. Yeah, I need to do a bunch of work with this. A lot of just donkey work of trying to find addresses and being confused. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope you had a nice time. I shall see you tomorrow, hopefully, for something. Something interesting, I'm sure. Okay, I love you guys. Enjoy life. Bye-bye.